Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix the touchscreen on your Microsoft Surface Pro 12 IS. If your touchscreen is not responding, first try disconnecting your device from the attached keyboard and then check your touchscreen once again. Then you can simply try to restart your device by holding down the power button until the screen goes off. After a couple of seconds, it will start turning on automatically. If it's not reloading, you can simply short press the power button instead. After your device is restarted, check whether your touchscreen is working. If it's not, you're going to need to use either the attached keyboard or an external mouse to continue the troubleshooting process. In such case, open the Start menu, then search for Device Manager. Open this menu, then go to Human Interface Devices. Scroll down until you find the Surface Touchscreen device. Double-click this option, go to the Driver tab. In the Driver tab, tap Disable Device with your external mouse, then your touchscreen will be disabled for a while. Click Enable Device in the same spot and see if this worked and your touchscreen is working. If not, you can tap Uninstall Device and click Uninstall. After that, your touchscreen driver will be uninstalled and it will be reinstalled once you restart this tablet. So let's force restart it once again, or just restart it normally. Let it reload along with the drivers. After the restart, your touchscreen should start being active again. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave us a like and a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.